ज्योति दीपं ज्योति जनार्दनं दीपं हरतु मे पापं दीपं ज्योति नमस्तुते दीपं ज्योति परं ज्योति दीपं ज्योतिर्जनार्दनं दीपं हरतु मे पापं दीपं ज्योतिर्नमस्तुते दीपं ज्योति परं ज्योति दीपं ज्योतिर्जनार्दनं दीपं हरतु मे पापं दीपं ज्योतिर्नमस्तुते आत्मज्योति प्रदीप्ताय स्वाहा ज्योतिर्नमस्तुते महाज्योति प्रदीप्ताय गुरुज्योति नमस्तुते।
I will now request everyone present over here to kindly stand for the state anthem.
सुशोभिततीर
शुभ्रतटिनि तुळशिखर समीर
जननी जननी जननी
अन्ते घन घन वन भूमिराजित अंगे कळ कळ मुखरी.
Dear participants, that a workshop that is not about the attending the lectures, but it is also about the learning the concepts, interacting with experts, and sharing ideas and developing future research, collaboration with industry. I am confident that CTURE 2026 will enhance your understanding of underwater robotics and inspire them new research idea in the existing and rapidly evolving field. With these words, I uh, welcome you, all the participants, once again, and wish you the workshop great success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. It is now my privilege to invite our respected principal, Professor Dr. Chitaranjan Mohanty, to address the gathering.
Good morning to all. Welcome. Welcome to this workshop. It is my great pleasure to have Professor Subhasis Datta, one of my alumni, to be the chief guest of this function. Thank you. Thank you. And my colleagues on the dais, of the dais, and my dear students. This type of workshop actually is meant for to discuss the issues on any issue where we will share our knowledge, we will share our scientific principles, and these things we understand when we understand the things clearly, when all the scientific principles are illustrated using our common day-to-day experience, then we feel it. We feel it and grasp it rather than theoretical aspects. The aspect is unmanned underwater vehicle, I will tell you. That instrument that will explore all the things that we are unable to get or we are getting with all huge resources that we can capture it or will get the information using this unmanned underwater vehicle. That will work for us. Obviously, when it will work for us, we will gather lot of informations that can be used in different areas of life. It will be a great help if we learn something from this workshop and implement it in our day-to-day or in our area of expertise, research, then it will be helpful to us. I think all of we must will learn certainly from this 5-day workshop and hope all of you will carry a memorable that talks that it will going to happen in next 5 days. Thank you very much. I wish it a grand success.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. Our chief guest, Professor Dr. Subhasis Datta, sir, is a distinguished academic and researcher serving as a professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, Assam, India. With extensive experience in teaching, research, and consultancy, he has made significant contributions to the field of water resources engineering and hydrology. He has been associated with IIT Guwahati since 2003, initially joining as an assistant professor, later becoming an associate professor, and currently serving as a professor since 2012. Before joining academia, Dr. Datta sir worked as a scientist at the Space Applications Center of Indian Space Research Organization, Ahmedabad, where he contributed to research involving geospatial technologies and environmental applications. His research interests include heat slope hydrology, river hydraulics, sediment transport, watershed management, and the use of remote sensing and GIS for water resources management. Dr. Datta sir has published numerous research papers in reputed international journals and conferences with significant impact in the field of civil engineering and hydrological modeling. His work has contributed to improve understanding of river systems, flood management, and climate change impacts on water resources. Apart from research, he has actively mentored undergraduate and postgraduate students and has developed academic courses such as hydrology, fluid mechanics, and river engineering. Through his academic leadership and research contributions, Dr. Datta sir continues to play a vital role in advancing water resources engineering and sustainable environmental management. We feel honored to invite him on to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Jai Jai Rangan, Jai Jagannath. Ah, Professor Chitranjan Mohanty, principal of this institute. Professor Bhagwat Panda, my friend who remembers me in the early morning and call me and discuss that. And all the dignitaries who is here. I'm really happy here, okay, to interact with you, telling the story of my life, okay, and inspiring some things, okay, which can be possible too. I started my life very beginning, okay, 1985 when I appeared the 10th exam. The pass percentage of 1985 in a 10th class, it was 40%. 60% are failed because of English. Okay. 1985, Odisha government is failing 60% can students just for English. I don't know it whether that English was required or not required. So that day itself, I thought of I should to supposed to be a, if you fail, then only one option left me to do the agriculture. That's what is there. No, if you 10th pass, you can go to college. Otherwise, next option what? Do agriculture. Okay. करता था हल करवाटा भल जिनस किसी खराब नुहे କରିଥିଲି ବୋଲି ଏତେ ଦୂରକୁ ବି ଆସିପାରିଛି ଓକେ ହଳ କରିଛି ହଳଟା କରିବାର କ'ଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି okay so basically anyway I passed the 10th class then I reached to the 12th class when all things are English nothing in Odia except that Odia teacher who is a very good teacher but nobody goes to his class okay he used to teach Madhusudan Das poems and all nobody was interested of the subjects okay because all we are trapped to mug up physics chemistry mathematics so that we can pass so-called 12th exam okay 11th and 12th exam God's sake by Jagannath I passed that exam okay पता नहीं कैसे मैं पास कर गया है ना और अच्छा भी किया ओके तो सोरो कॉलेज में मैं सेकंड और थर्ड टॉपर बन गया ओके मेरे को भी पता नहीं कैसे बन गया ओके then then what is there I joined the FM college okay as a plus 3 science okay way back I think you are all young but I can tell the story in the different way okay you are all too young okay maybe young come so the the point is that when I joined FM college in chemistry honors the day one I need came to know it even if I will be university topper in plus 3 chemistry honors I'll not get a seat in Banibia because Banibia used to consider my 10th class 12th class and the BAC mark then they select only 7 for a MAC seats in Banibia just so much competition that means in my life what I trying to do a chemistry honors there is no life because I cannot get a MSc seat in Bani Bihar or Berhampur or the Sambalpur. Okay. So if you don't have a options, then what you do it, you appear a exam. It's called a joint entrance exam. Okay, that's what is the Odisha JE. Okay, I prepare for Odisha JE because I want to be a good teacher. That's what, nothing else. So I joined appear Odisha JE in a 1988. Okay, by God, again I selected. But my rank there in a Odisha rank, it is a 425. I went to Bulla Engineering College where Sir was here. Okay, some of my people from Bulla Engineering College.
Okay. So I'll not take much time. Okay. Anyway, I'll be talking with you another 1.5 hours. Okay. With a story, with a storytellings and all technology. So I'll not take time. So 5 minutes already. Yeah. So I joined the Bulla Engineering College in a civil engineering. कितना दुख था, जॉब मिलता नहीं था, सब आके वो भुवनेश्वर में कुछ स्ट्राइक करते थे। ओके, हमारा जो सब फ्रेंड है भगवत पंडा जैसे मैकेनिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल, ये यार इससे कुछ होने वाले नहीं, सिविल वाले। ओके, जिंदगी में कुछ भी नहीं करने वाले। ओके, होते होते ये स्टाइपेंड इंजीनियर बनेंगे, 2000 रुपया पर डे पर मंथ सैलरी में जिंदगी कटेंगे। ओके, तो फिर सोचा तो लाइफ में कुछ भी नहीं है, जहां भी जाओ अंधारा है अंधारा है। ओके, बुल्ला में पढ़ो, बुल्ला जैसे टॉप मोस्ट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज इन उड़ीसा दैट टाइम। ओके, स्टिल इट इज, बट आई बिलीव it needs a leader to change that Bulla Engineering College. I don't know it, who will be that. Maybe I don't know. So the point is that after that I just believe it. जो लोग कुछ भी नहीं करते, एक अच्छा चीज करते, एक गेट एग्जाम। Okay, still I remember that gate exam. All my friends in a Bulla Engineering College, okay, they are not interested for the gate. Still I remember my best professors, still mine. When I talk to that, Professor J.K. Das, Professor R.N. Das, okay, Professor M.C. Sao, I still remember. They taught it very nicely, the subject. Then I thought of why not I fear the gate exam, where almost my friends all were happy that we'll get a stipend engineers, 2000 rupees. Okay, भुवनेश्वर में रहेंगे, 2000 भुवनेश्वर, और क्या चाहिए भाई? सही बात है ना? 2000 रुपया मिलेगा, इंजीनियर्स है, एक जीप मिलता था वो टाइम पर, आजकल पता नहीं। ओके, एक जीप मिलता था, एक इंजीनियर है, सिविल इंजीनियर है ना? That the turn I happened, I did a MTech by choice, by whatever be that I did a MTech. Then followed by I did a PhD in IIT Kharagpur, long back. Okay, it's 1995, 30 years back. During the IIT Kharagpur PhD period, so I just apply for a scientist position in ISRO. When I apply for that, so say they have got so many applications, they just call from a university topper or applied university topper. So I was the one candidate shortlisted for the out of 200 applications. Okay, they shortlisted around 23 for the interview. I am the one of the candidates on that 23, and they conducted interview in Ahmedabad. As you know it, everybody is now the Ahmedabad. किसके लिए? मोदी के लिए। किसके लिए? चाय बेचने के लिए। Okay, but he rules the world today. Okay, that the Ahmedabad city, I was there. Okay, interviewed it. In front of me, there are 10 to 11 ISRO scientists. Okay, I was in an interview. So if you look at, you are from Odisha, Ahmedabad city. In front of you, there are 11 ISRO scientists are there. Out of 23, they have only one post. 23, they called it. Post is one. Okay? So I was, okay, जगन्नाथ जी है, जो भी होगा होगा, है ना? डरने क्या है ना? अफसर भी है तो नहीं, हमारा पास जब हॉल कर सकता है तब तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कुछ भी रिस्क ले सकता हूँ। सही बात है? खेती कर सकता हूँ तो मेरे कुछ भी रिस्क ले सकता हूँ। So I was there, I am confident, I am delivering the things what I have been doing it. Suddenly one scientist asked me, can you explain me what is a capillary? I am a PhD doing in IIT Kharagpur in aerospace department. Why should I explain the capillarity? Okay, it is simple things in your first year fluid mechanics. But I took it challenge. Suddenly I went to the blackboard. I explained the capillarity force so nice. That 3 minutes gave me a job, changed me a Udia to a scientist in ISRO. I clicked that job. That's what. See, what I'm telling is that you need not to be great. Okay, need not to be great. Why should be great? Okay, you have to click the job where you do the best. See, the capability I learned it during my maybe first year of engineering college. That explanation of 3 minutes, all the 11 scientists, they are so impressed. When I joined the ISRO, okay, there was a madam from Berhampur only. She was my boss. Okay, she is no more now. Okay, Susma Panigrai madam. She just asked one question to me. Subhash is, I think, first time the ODIs are coming to Berhampur for a job. So if you look at it, this is what 1998. Just 20, 25, 27 years back, we ODIs are so content, okay, not to go outside the Odisha. हम लोग इतना खुश में थे, okay, इतना कंटे अरे स्कूल का टीचरशिप मिल जाएगी तो बहुत बड़ा चीज है ना. That's what is my madam, my Susma Panigrai madam. The thing, Suvasis is the first time a Udia is coming to Ahmedabad for a job, madam. That's what it is. Many things happen. See, okay. Today have where I am. You know it. I don't want to talk about. But what I encourage is just raise the hand who are interested for next GET exam. Just raise the hand. GET exam. Just raise the hand. Just raise the hand. I need that. Nothing else. Yes. दो हाथ भी उठा सकता है because वो ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस है. दो हाथ भी उठा सकता है. दो हाथ उठा कैसे भगवान को जैसे उठाते हैं. Okay. 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 Good. 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 Okay. So please appear the GET exams can change your life, which you cannot visualize it. This is the right movement for the ODIA or the all the state engineering college or the private engineering college. Click the GET exam. If you click the GET exam, you will be landed with the IITs and NITs. And once you are in IITs or NITs, your life will change. That's what I can say. And that's what the transformations we have seen it. Regarding your college, I am really happy that there are few PhD students from this college in IIT Guwahati, and they are doing very good. And I think some of lectures of assistant professors are doing a PhD in IIT Guwahati. Okay. So, do you believe the Guwahati is a far away or it's a nearby? Just raise the hand. Guwahati is a far away or is nearby? Who says it? It takes around 1.5 hours from Bhubaneswar, from Guwahati to Bhubaneswar by flight. Okay. Another 2 hours to reach it. 3.5 hours. Where is the distance? See how much money I pay for the Indigo and all things. I don't calculate that economics. Okay, that's a different thing. So 3.5 hours only. बुल्ला से जाने से अच्छा गुवाहाटी चला जाओ, है ना? 3.5 घंटा लगता है कि नहीं बुल्ला जाने में? 5 घंटा लगता है? 6 hours. So you can reach it Guwahati. It's the very closer by. They talk Assamese, which is a very close to Odia only, where both are the same religions, same attitude. Slight bit, they are beautiful. We are not. Okay, that's our judgment. Okay. So slight bit, they are beautiful because they never seen the drought. I'll talk about that once I come back to my lectures. I'll talk about that. What is a major killer for us? Okay, why we are so-called poor? We are not poor now. Okay, so-called poor. So that's what I'll debate you. That's what I'll encourage you to think beyond. Okay, so if you look at that way, the Assamese and the Odias are not different. All are believe on Lord Jagannath. Okay. And that's the reason, again, I welcome all of you to come to my campus. Third year and final year students can apply for internships. Okay. still I have open. Okay, Professor Divedi is there in mechanical, and we have a group. Okay, if you want to have an internship at IIT Guwahati, always welcome. Come for 1 month and all. It's possible. We can also funded some part of your stay also. With this note, anyway, I'll be here in half an hour, 1:30. I'll talk much more. Okay. With this, sir, again, thank you, Bhagavat Panda. Okay, Professor Bhagavat Panda. Okay, he's too close to my friend, so that's the reason. Comes out my heart. Again, I have a great admire to my professors who taught me structures, taught me like Professor J.K. Das, Professor Arenda, Professor MC Sao, Professors Vijay Misras, and all. They shaped us what today we are. With their, with giving gratitude to them, I just conclude this thing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights. I now request our respected dignitaries to kindly unveil the souvenir. Let's appreciate this moment with a huge round of applause. Now, as a token of gratitude and respect, I request our principal, Professor Dr. Chittaranjan Mahanti, to give the memento to our chief guest, Dr. Subhashis Dutt. Thank you, sir. I now request Professor Dr. Bhagwat Panda to give the memento to our honorary principal, Dr. Chittaranjan Mahanti.
Finally, to conclude the inauguration session, we would like to invite the faculty coordinator, Dr. Sushri Shankita Patnaik ma'am, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It is my absolute honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks at the inaugural session of this 5-day workshop on current trends in underwater robotic exploration, sponsored by TIH IIT Guwahati. First and foremost, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the Technology Innovation Hub IIT Guwahati for sponsoring and supporting this workshop. Their commitment to advancing research and innovation in emerging technologies has made this program possible. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest and distinguished speaker, Professor Subhasis Datta sir, for accepting our invitation to grace the occasion and for sharing valuable insights and his interesting life story, which is very inspiring. Your presence and guidance will inspire the participants to explore new directions in the evolving landscape of underwater robotics. We are deeply indebted to our principal, sir, Professor C.R. Mohanty, for his constant encouragement and unwavering support. It is under your leadership that we are able to host such a technical event. A special thanks to our distinguished resource persons and guest speakers who have joined us from various corners of the industry and academia. We look forward to learn from your knowledge and experience in the areas such as underwater sensing, robotic navigation, marine exploration technologies, and autonomous systems from the technical sessions over the next 5 days. My sincere appreciation goes to the head of the department, organizing committee members, faculty colleagues, technical staff, and student volunteers for their dedication and hard work to ensure successful organization of this workshop. A big thank you to all the participants, researchers, professionals, and students who have joined this workshop. Your enthusiasm and active engagement will make the sessions interactive and fruitful. Finally, I would like to acknowledge everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to making today's inauguration session a success. I wish everyone a productive and enriching 5 days of learning and collaboration. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your gracious words of gratitude. With this, we have come to the end of the inauguration ceremony. Thank you, everyone, for your presence. We'll now move on to the tea break. hello, 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 hello. What the first pen drive is hello, 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 hello. Subhuchi. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. धीरे से हमें सेट कर सर बैटरी हेले नुआ पकेलु
ହଁ ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା
କେଜାଣି କଣ ହେଲା
କେଜାଣି ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଶୁଣ କେଜାଣି କ'ଣ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା
ସାର୍ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲୁ ଆହୁରି ଆଜେଣ୍ଡା ହେଲା
ତମର ଗୀତଟା ବାଜୁଛି କିଏ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. It's okay, na? ठीक. नहीं, नहीं, it's okay. Please, please call. Those that are interested, please come. हाँ, 3 minutes. Listen. Also move. Don't worry for that. Please, please sit. Please sit. It's a great pleasure to be here. Okay, I think briefly, don't take much time. Okay, है ना? आज का AI जमाने में कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, ये सब करने के लिए. Okay, you all are empowered with AI. Okay, पहले हम आ बोलते थे, अभी AI. Okay, your next generation will not learn AI. Okay, कौन पढ़ेगा? पढ़ेगा क्या पढ़ेगा? AI पढ़ेगा. Okay, that's the things is changing. Please start.
We now have our expert speaker, Professor Subhas Datta, with us. Before we proceed further, I would like to call our respected session chair, Professor Debasis Rath, and share a few opening lines with her.
Good morning to one and all. I now request once again welcome you, sir, to begin your presentation without any delay, sir. Please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, so let me have a big clap for me. है ना? अब आदमी देखो पहले clap ले लेता है. Okay, and because when you do the clappings, you do the energy dissipation. That's is necessary for your good health and the mental. That's you did clap for me. You clap for you. Okay, that's what you did a clapping. Okay, which is energetic to you. Okay, that's what is necessary for me. Who I am? I am nothing but okay. I'll be your friend now for 1.5 hours. Okay, and I am reachable through my WhatsApp numbers. Okay, anytime you can drop me message. I'm there. Okay, so those are interested. My numbers are there. Even if talk about Subhasis Datta, so you'll get my numbers. Okay, so I'm reachable through WhatsApp. Okay, uh, this 1.5 hours, okay, 90 minutes, okay, know. So let us enjoy these 90 minutes, okay. Starting from the storytellings, okay. How many knows Nanka Durbhiksha? Nanka Durbhiksha. କେତେ ଜଣ ଜାଣିଛ? ହାତ ଉଠାଅ. ନଙ୍କ ଦୁର୍ଭିକ୍ଷ କେତେ ଜଣ ଜାଣିଛ? ତାର ହାତ ଉଠାଅ. ନଙ୍କ ଦୁର୍ଭିକ୍ଷ, one of the darkest period of Odisha history. Okay. In that, the 9-year drought, we lost 1/3 of our populations. Okay. In that periods, we lost around 4 to 5 millions, means 50 lakhs people. Just type what is a Nanka Durvika, that what we can get it, what is happening. Why we are poor? Because of Nanka Durvika. Do you know it?
अब गरीब क्यों है, उड़िया क्यों गरीब है? नॉन का दुर्भिक्ष क्यों? उड़िया का ज्यादा डायबिटीज होने का कारण क्या है? नॉन का दुर्भिक्ष। अभी तक जेनेटिकली वे आर मॉडिफाइड, so we supposed to have a diabetes. I have. Okay. I don't know who are having the diabetes here in the class. Okay. Because of that, Nonka Durbeka. When did it happen? It 1866. Okay. 1866. We lost 30% of the population. 30% of the population. We became a poorest country because we sold out our all gold and many things we sold out. Who became richer? Anybody can say? When you are brought, somebody will be rich. Who is that? I think if you had some Bengalis are here, please pardon me. Okay. The richest becomes the Calcutta city. We lost our economy, gained by the Calcutta city. Any Bengalis there? I'm also partly Bengali and Odia and all. I confused myself. I don't know what I am. Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. सरनेम दत्ता है, उड़िया अच्छा बोलता है. Okay. मेरे को भी पता नहीं मैं कहाँ हूँ. But doesn't matter. So Calcutta city grown because of non-Kajurgut. We lost 30% population. We'll carry the diabetes. Still we have in a genes. Okay, diabetes because 9 साल तक आप खाना खाया नहीं. Just सोचे 9 साल तक खाना खाया नहीं. कितने लोग हाथ उठाओ 9 साल तक खाना नहीं खा के बच सकता है? हाथ उठाओ. हाँ, 9 दिन तो का बाद तो हॉस्पिटलाइज हो जाएगा भाई. हाँ, 9 दिन कौन सा खाना नहीं खा के रह सकता है? 9 days. बोलेगे सर क्या पढ़ाना चाहते हैं? वाह, हमको बोलेगे 9 anybody can stay 9 hours? Okay, good, good. Okay, at least the 9 hours. Okay, बच सकता है. Okay, so that way we are poor because of non-Kadurbi. The Calcutta is rich because of non-Kadurbi. All these big, big buildings, what are there? That is Udia money. धड़का सकते हैं ममता बनर्जी भाई दे दो हमारा, है ना? गलती से तुम ले गया था और टाइम पर. Please read the non-Kajurbika, which is there in the textbook, and all the things are there. Please type non-Kajurbika. All you are having AI. Type the non-Kajurbika, you will get it. What is the support we have? Okay. So that way, what is the relationship of non-Kajurbika and this project? I'll come it later on. How many know about Bajirao? Just raise the hands. Why is the Bajirao is famous? Anybody? Just take that. फ्रीडम तो ठीक है, फाइटर तो अलग है. कहाँ बंदूक लेके फाइट कर रहा था? It's freedom fighter. I agree with that. I have a gratitude, but the circumstance, Sachidananda, I think he made the famous poems, and that's the reason. Anybody from Bhuban, Dhankanal? Just raise the hand. Bhuban, Dhankanal? कोई नहीं है? ढेंकानाल से कोई है? हाथ उठाए रे, तुम्हारा जगह का शहीद है. हाथ डरता है क्यों? ढेंकानाल डर रहा है क्या भाई? नहीं. How many from Jajpur? Jajpur, Kendrapada, Kendrapada, Jajpur. Okay. कहाँ से आए तुम लोग भाई? जाजपुर में ने भुवनेश्वर. अरे भुवनेश्वर कुछ नहीं था, वो सब गांव से आके भुवनेश्वर आए. You just say, please tell me, don't tell you are from Bhubaneswar. Okay, all गांव में घर है. Okay, Bhubaneswar is a temporary house for you. Okay. Anybody from Cuttack? Cuttack, Sambalpur, Bargarh. Okay. Sambalpur, Bargarh, then further Sonpur. Okay, many districts now. Earlier we used to have a 13 districts, then 30 districts and all. Okay. So why the Baji Raut is famous? Just read it. Sorry. Baji Raut क्यों famous है? बताए बाजी राउत क्यों famous हुआ? It is okay ना if I use the Odia? Invite. Good.
I teach that like this, okay, Hindi and English, है ना? मेरा क्लास में काफी बिहारी है तो उनको क्या okay. So anybody from Bihar? No, na. So the point, are you telecasting this? ऑनलाइन में दे रहा है क्या? भाई मेरा जॉब चला जाएगा। ओके, हाँ, तो बोलना चाहिए ना भाई। हाँ, कभी कभी मैं किसको गाली दूंगा भरोसा नहीं है ना। ओके, एनीवे, so the basically if you look at that way, Bajiratu, can you tell me who knows that song? Bajiratu, you famous. He's a freedom fighter, very young age. He didn't allow the Britishers to cross the Brahmini River. Is it correct? So Brahmini River, how many knows about Brahmini River? Just raise the hands. So he just is a very young chap and he didn't allow the Britishers to cross the Brahmini River to reach the Bhuvan, okay, and further the things. That's the reasons Said Bhuvan. Today, okay, last 10 to 15 years, 10 years, I've been working with Brahmini River. Okay. आज तो पानी ही नहीं है, बाजीराव तो हम कैसे बनेंगे? Today, after the monsoon, there is no water in Brahmini. जो पानी है इतना ही है। आज का जमाने में ब्रिटिशर आएंगे तो उसको बाजीराव तो बनाना नहीं है, वो सीधा चला आएंगे। What I'm relating to you that बाजीराव का स्टोरी कब हुआ था? Anybody can? ब्रिटिशर आए थे उड़ीसा को, तब हमारा रिवर ब्राह्मणी में पानी था, आज पानी नहीं है। अब जस्ट मानसून पीरियड, वो भी जब हम रेंगाली एंड सामोल बैरेज का गेट लिफ्ट करते पानी आता है, अदरवाइज पानी जो है ना इतना है, और इतना पानी में उसको हम नदी नहीं बोलते। जो नदी है क्या, जो पानी में हम ऐसे चले जाएंगे वो उसको नदी बोलेंगे क्या? Who is responsible for this? Yes, just raising. Who is responsible? Earlier used to have a continuous water supply. That's the reason the Britishers didn't cross, and the fire, the Bajirao made him Said. Okay, that's what is we celebrating. Today the same river doesn't have a water. Why? Anybody can raise the hands. Why? Why don't have the waters in Brahmini river? Yes. ये इतना इजी आंसर है ना, वो ओनली ट्रम्प ही देता है। जिसको कुछ भी नहीं आता है क्लाइमेट चेंज को बोलो। ओके, मैं बाद में आऊंगा। ओके, एक एक बात किया है क्लाइमेट चेंज, पता नहीं मैं लास्ट 25 साल में क्लाइमेट चेंज का स्टडी कर रहा हूँ, फिर भी मैं कंफ्यूज। ओके, वो बाद में स्टोरी बोलेंगे, और लंच का टाइम में तुम्हारे से बात करूंगा। एनीबॉडी हैव यू बीन टू एनीवेयर तालचेर? कोई हाथ उठाओ भाई, तालचेर देखा है? तालचेर अभी किसके लिए फेमस है भाई? थर्मल पावर प्लांट। कोल कहाँ से आ रहा है? हाँ, माइनिंग there. Thermal power plant also need a water. Without that, it cannot be possible. Water is from Brahmini only. And that what is electrifying almost all our state. If I switch off all the lights, fans and all, I think sabhi so hi jayenge. है ना? Today all we have air conditioning because of thermal power plants. Have you been visited to Rengali Dam? Rengali Dam. हमारा देश का सामान देखो भाई तुम। Why you want to orient? How many you are interested to go to Bangkok? Just raise the hand. जिंदगी में एक बार बैंकॉक जाना चाहिए, हाथ उठाओ भाई। I am not telling to you, okay. You people are nowhere, okay. I'm talking about this young generation, okay. How many are interested to go to Bangkok? How many interested to go to Singapore? Just raise the hand. Very good, very good. Please visit once in a life to Singapore. इतना सारा पैसा कमाओ, पहले जाके सिंगापुर जाके आओ, बैंकॉक मत जाना। ओके, देखो हंसी आ रहा है, इसका मीनिंग सबको पता है बैंकॉक किसका लिए है। ओके, एनीवे दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द बैंकॉक्स। ओके, सो let me come to the topic what I'm talking about. Recently our finance ministers declared the Brahmini is a national waterways fund. Okay, हमारा मोदी जी कभी आएंगे डिक्लेयर करने के लिए, बट अभी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर डिक्लेयर कर दी है लास्ट बजट में कि ब्राह्मणी जो रिवर है वो नेशनल वाटरवेज 5 है। इसी प्रोजेक्ट में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग 20,000 करोड़। मैं मांगता है मेरे को 5% दे दो, कितना होगा? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज ए ब्रिंगिंग ए लोन ऑफ 20,000 करोड़। मैं बोलता हूँ मेरे को 5% दे दो, मैं 3 इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज करके दिखा देता हूँ, है ना? 3 अच्छा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज करके दिखाऊंगा जहां पर इंजीनियर जाएंगे मोदी को धड़काएंगे, और उसका बच्चा अमित शाह उसको भी धड़काएगा, अरे आप गलती से घुस आते हैं उड़ीसा को, है ना? यस और नो? So anyway, that's 20,000 crore project is going to come in as a national waterways 5 connecting cultures to the Paradip and Dhamra. How many from Dhamra, Paradip, have you seen it? क्या कर रहे हैं? धामरा देखा नहीं, पारादीप नहीं देखा, तालचेर देखा नहीं, देख रहे हैं क्या यूट्यूब? हाँ, क्या कर रहे हैं लाइफ में? खाली पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं क्या? मैं बोलता हूँ ये टीचर लोग को कुछ, है ना? हाँ, how many are second year, third year and final year students? Just raise the hand. Okay, okay, third year. Okay, good. So the basically, if you look at that, Damra and Paradip is a port, okay, which is our state resources. It will be connected to the Talchers, okay, which is the thermal power plants we have. We have a coal mining. We have a all these industry hub will be connected. The issue is that already I said it. There is no water. Okay, पानी नहीं है। मोदी जी बोले कि 20,000 करोड़ आएगा, सब ताली मार रहे हैं, है ना? पानी नहीं है, सिप जाएगा कैसे? बट सब खुशी है, पॉलिटिशियन से लेके इंजीनियर तक सब खुशी। 20,000 करोड़ आएगा, सही बात है ना? 20,000 करोड़ है। सब बोलते हैं कि मेरे को 1% मिल जाए ना, बहुत बेसी। सही बात है ना? कोई भी मेरे को 1% मिल जाए बहुत बेसी है ना, 20,000 करोड़ है। ओके, so that way as a teachers I don't bother about money. Should I bother about money? अरे पैसा में रखा क्यों, है ना? पैसा में रखा है कुछ? अरे कुछ नहीं रखा। मैं कभी अंबानी बन सकता हूँ? नहीं बन सकता हूँ। जब अंबानी नहीं बन सकता हूँ, वो दूसरा वाला वो कभी सपना ही नहीं देखता हूँ। मैं अंबानी बन सकता हूँ? नहीं बन सकता हूँ ना। भाई मिडिल में रह के क्या फायदा है? बनना है तो टॉप बनना, नहीं तो नहीं। सही बात है ना? तो मिडिल वाला टॉप पोजीशन तो ऑलरेडी अंबानी अंबानी ले चुके हैं। मेरे पास तो चांस नहीं है, उड़िया तो चांस ही नहीं है। मेरा पास क्या ऑप्शन रहा? टीच वेल, दैट्स ऑल। टेल ट्रूथ, दैट्स ऑल, है ना? सही बोलो, सही सपना देखो, दैट्स व्हाट। इफ यू लुक इट दैट वे, नहीं चल रहा है तुम्हारा? एंटर कर स्लाइड्स। ओके, so if you look at this is a project, this is a 20,000 crore project, will be connecting from Thalche, Dhamra and the Paradip, and it will be going through this our natural Bhitarkanika. You all know about the crocodiles, okay, and that's what we will be going through it. It's a very challenging project of 20,000 crore. This is a photographs my student took it in 2015. Okay. One side is the monsoon photographs. Okay. We have been working it last 11 years. Okay. So this is the photographs by my students in 2015 in it is Janapur, Pangpan. Okay. And if you look at during the lean season, there is no water. I can walk it. Not have problems. This is the also we have done it. You can see the photographs of Korsua. Okay. Small channels and these. Okay. And we have these things. We did a study in 2015. The students who did a PhD under me, now he is a faculty in an IIT Jammu. Merely Talina. So what we did in these projects, okay, the technical contents I'm not going it. If you are interested, you can download these reports are there. Type my name. Okay, in internet you will get the report. So we did this work, okay, with help of Inland Waterways Authority. My student is to come to Odisha, visit Jagannath. Okay, he's from Andhra Pradesh, doesn't matter it. Okay, so visit Jagannath ji. Okay, we got a project. We have to do the National Waterways 5, phase 1. We did a very marvelous work. Okay, we submitted the report. Many times I visited to Bhubaneswar to defend my work. Okay, with your earlier Chief Secretary P.K. Jenaji. Okay, but what we did it marvelous thing. Well, we prepared the report so simple. You should not prepare the report for engineers. इंजीनियर के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा है रिपोर्ट तो कोई पढ़ेगा नहीं वो इंजीनियर पढ़ते ही नहीं पढ़ते हैं क्या इंजीनियर पढ़ने के लिए क्या है ना कौन कर है ना so you don't prepare the report for the engineers that's what we did it we didn't prepare the report for the engineers we retain the things very simple such a way that a simple person doesn't have any knowledge of engineering he can understand okay that's the job we did some of the report figures are here. So Inland Waterways Authorities upload this report to a website which is easily available. Brahmini Bachai Andalan, the peoples who are there in Brahmini basin, they read our report. इंजीनियर पढ़े नहीं टाइम है तुम लोग का इंजीनियर बनने के बाद रिपोर्ट पढ़ना है टाइम नहीं है ना इंजीनियर कोई पढ़े नहीं कभी कभी मेरे को कुछ कमेंट देते थे पढ़े कौन 60-70 years old Brahmini Bachao Andolan. A group of people of बूढ़े 60 to 70 years old वो पढ़े वो जाके मिनिस्ट्री में हिलाया बोले कि दफ्तर साहब जो रिपोर्ट बनाया ना वो करना चाहिए तुम दैट्स द पावर ऑफ डेवलपमेंट प्लीज क्लैप फ्रॉम Brahmini Bachao Andolan they tell the state government of Odisha that only ये प्रोजेक्ट जो करेगा दफ्तर साहब ही करेगा और कोई करेगा नहीं तब वो कुछ टुकुनी साहब कोई थी मिनिस्टर contacted me that sir आ जाए आपका बिना में कुछ नहीं होने वाला टुकुनी साहब or somebody okay name is very small okay. She is very good nice ladies okay she is not in a ministry now she called me and taking that through this sir आप आ जाए कुछ तो कीजिए we have a lot of pressure from the ground peoples those read the Brahmini Bachao Andolan they are telling it only दफ्तर साहब जो भी करना है दफ्तर साहब करेगा that's a beauty if I could have a written project proposal for engineers कुछ होता or the secretary कुछ होता bureaucrats there are good bureaucrats out there कुछ होता कुछ होने वाला नहीं किसी को फर्क पड़ता है ब्राह्मणी में पानी नहीं किसको फर्क पड़ रहा है तुम लोग को अरे बिस्लेरी है ना क्यों फर्क पड़ेगा is it correct you people don't know Brahmini river name you know Bisleri that's the way we brainwashed you okay so But if you look it, that what is changed my life. That what is said it. Please don't do work, climate change, AI. ये सब तो जो प्रोफेसर को कुछ होता ही नहीं वो करता है ना सही बात है ना जिससे कुछ होता है नहीं वो क्लाइमेट चेंज करेगा एआई करेगा है ना हमारे जैसे आदमी हम तो रिपोर्ट लिखेंगे गांव लोग के लिए करना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए रिपोर्ट इंजीनियर के लिए नहीं मत लिखो वो तो पढ़ेगा नहीं क्यों पढ़ेगा that's what we did it that's the story this is what my student did a survey ADCP survey okay they came it flew from Guwahati conducting a survey here, preparing these type of reports. I'm not spending time it here. So let me tell you the story of this. I told about Nonka Durbikya. 9-year drought. There are a lot of pressures on British government to do something. 1866 का नॉन्का दुर्भिक्ष का बाद गवर्नमेंट का ऊपर काफी प्रेशर पड़ा ब्रिटिश का ऊपर ओके no doubt Calcutta became richer okay and because of we lost 10 lakh populations and you see the photograph just type in Nonko Durbikya okay just see the photograph your parent for fathers उनका फोटो देखो तब आएगा only we Udia should work it nothing else YouTube मत देखना भाई YouTube वो बिहारी सब देखने देंगे और उनका पास कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उनका पास कुछ इंस्टाग्राम वो लोग देखने चाहिए हम उड़िया है हम वी स्ट्रगल लॉट हम बच गए ना 1/3 मर गए उसके 2/3 में तो हमारा पिताजी बच गए थे ना और फादर बच गए थे ना वो जीन्स में हम आज खड़ा है डिड यू बिलीव इट दैट और नो उन्हीं का जीन्स में हम अभी तक खड़ा है so we should work it nothing else we should capture the world we should not work with Instagram Facebook या फालतू का चीज है सब एडिटेड फोटोग्राफ जो देख रहा है वो अच्छा फोटोग्राफ है क्या सब एडिटेड फोटोग्राफ है यस और नो जितना सारा इंस्टा में है फिगर ऑल आर एडिटेड और नो you are much beautiful from that so educated photograph how many are agree that you are beautiful just raise the hand you are beautiful nothing less just raise the hand please raise the hands okay all are beautiful okay Instagram is totally false okay just raise the hand हाँ हाथ उठाओ इतना तो है 2 हाथ उठाओ जो ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है हाथ हाथ उठाओ ओके ओके ये डाउट कर रहे हैं कि हाथ उठाओ हाँ भाई यू आर ब्यूटीफुल ओनली if you look at that what I'm talking about the topic is that in after the Nonka Durvikya the British started constructing two barrages okay let me come back to the whiteboards okay मेरे को बोलना है बंद करने के लिए so where is the pen I got it. If you look at the Brahmani river is split to Brahmani river is split to two parts. Okay, one is Horswa, another is Brahmani. Near the Janapur, okay, the Brahmani river make a two part. This is Brahmani, this is Karsua. This is main river is coming. This is the Janapur. Okay. What was their idea? Okay. To connect, we have a 3 river system. What are they? Mahanadi, Brahmini, Vaitarini. Is it correct? How many from that catchment? Brahmini, Vaitarini, and Mahanadi? Almost all were from that part. Okay. What they try to do is, they construct 2 canals. वो कैनाल बनाया. ओके, 2 canal बनाया. These 2 canals connected to, one is connected to Mahanadi, another is connected to Vaitarini. Okay, this canal connected with Mahanadi. This is connected with Vaitarini. Then they constructed 2 wire. 1876. दो वायर कंस्ट्रक्ट किए, ब्रिटिश इंजीनियर दे डिड. 2 वायर कंस्ट्रक्ट किए. जैसे ये जो पानी है इधर आएगा महानदी से, इधर स्टोर होगा, फिर ये चला जाएगा वैतरणी को. यहाँ पर पानी रहेगा, जब रेगुलेट करेंगे पानी आएगा, ये करेगा. कब किए थे? 1876, 150 years back. What they did a mistakes. उनका मिस्टेक अभी भी हम सुधर रहे. Do you believe that British are more intelligent than us? How many believe it? White बाल है, हमारा से ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है. Just raise the hand. हाँ, वो इंटेलिजेंट है और हम इंटेलिजेंट. हम इंटेलिजेंट है और वो इंटेलिजेंट. वो है, वही तो ब्रेन वॉश हुआ. बिकॉज यू डिडंट, तुम लोग का ब्रेन में, मेरे भी छोटे बच्चे जो इंग्लिश बोलता है वो अच्छा है. अरे कहाँ टैक्सी ड्राइवर बैंगलोर का इंग्लिश बोलता है, बेटर देन द इंग्लिश एंड अदर थिंग्स. इंग्लिश बोलना बड़ा चीज नहीं है. सो दैट्स द रीजन वी आर इंटेलिजेंट. क्योंकि जो मांस खाता है, मछली खाता है, ये जो वर्ल्ड का इंटेलिजेंट पीपुल्स होते हैं. जो चिकन खाता है वो गधा होता है. तो अभी तुम्हारा पास ऑप्शन, चिकन खाना है और मांस खाना है ना. गधा बनना है तो चिकन खाओ, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ये KFC PFC ब्रांड में कुछ नहीं है. ऐसे सही तो चिकन ही दे रहा है, और फालतू का ब्रांड में क्या रखा है. So we are the intellectual people in the world. वो ब्रिटिशर गधे थे. ये जब कैनाल बनाया, वेयर बनाया, भूल गए थे कि नदी में भी बालू चलता है. चलता है कि चलता है? सेडिमेंट ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है कि नहीं? चलता है कि तेल नहीं? नदी में खाली पानी चलता है क्या? पानी का साथ बालू चलता है. Many not from civil engineering, so that's the reason I'm making easy. Okay. So the sediment transport होता है. जब बालू चलेगा, बालू क्या करेगा? ये वायर को, दिस इज द पिरामिड वायर. यहाँ पूरा बालू भर गया, सैंड कास्टिंग. अभी सिचुएशन ये है. That BTC engineers not hang it, got suspended, left उड़ीसा. ना जो वायर बनाया था, ओके, वो उड़ीसा छोड़ के. कितने? 5 मिनट. ब्रिटिश जो इंजीनियर है भाग गया, उसको भगा दिया गया. गधा कहाँ का. हाँ, नदी में कुछ पता नहीं तुमको, बालू चलता है, वायर बना दिया, बालू भर दिया पूरा नदी. तो वो उनको सस्पेंडेड हो गया, वो अभी पता नहीं कहाँ मैंने जब ब्राह्मणी में शुरू किया मेरे को बोला गया था सर आपको दबा दिया जाएगा, आप फेल्यूर होंगे तो मेरे को हमारा इंजीनियर सब डराया। ओके आप ग्रामीण बचाए बोल रहे हैं, आप जो भी करेंगे ना नहीं होगा तो आपको क्या कराएगा, कहाँ भगाएगा, गुवाहाटी में तो हूँ, उड़ीसा में कहाँ हूँ मैं, हाँ क्या करेंगे उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट में। ठीक है क्या ऑप्शन है मेरे पास, जो बनाए वो तो चले गए, उनका पाप अभी तक है हमारे पास, ये सिग्नेचर है। बहुत अच्छा वेयर है, स्ट्रक्चरली द बेस्ट वन, इनको पता नहीं था कि सैंड कास्टिंग हो जाए और दे अंडर एस्टिमेट, दो फ्लॉड लैब में सैंड कास्टिंग हो, पूरा वेयर चला गया, कैनाल चला गया, सब दैट व्हाट इज 1876। So river, why it happened? Always I tell this story. River is mother. If river follows Newton's third law, what is that? तुम्हारा मम्मी भी वही फॉलो करता है कि नहीं, करता है कि नहीं, करता है कि नहीं, तुम्हारा मम्मी भी वही फॉलो करता है, एनी एक्शन रिएक्शन मम्मी दिखाता है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप का है। मम्मी की मन, डू यू लाइक, हाउ मेनी यू फीलिंग दैट ओनली मम्मी हु इज द क्लोज टू यू, अदर थिंग्स आर नथिंग, है ना, जस्ट रेज द हैंड, जस्ट रेज द हैंड, सोचो ओनली मम्मी छोड़ के दूसरे सब फादर ऐसे ही, ओनली गर्ल्स लाइक द फादर्स, मदर बॉयज का चांस नहीं है फादर को लाइक करने, यस क्यों भाई, क्यों 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 तुम फादर को लाइक नहीं करते, और कोई लाइक करता है जस्ट लॉन्ग वर्ड नहीं लेके आता, हाउ मेनी लाइक योर फादर, झूठ बोल, झूठ अभी गोया काटेगा, अरे झूठ बोल बोल, ओके, so basically what I'm telling is that the reason behind is we were like a mother, whenever you do anything it gives a reaction, that's what it is. They didn't understand the river Brahmini, they just put the wire structures. River said it, तुम्ही तो स्ट्रक्चर बनाया, मैं आता हूँ एक ब्लॉक लेके सैंड लेके आता हूँ, तुम्हारा सब फिलअप करके चला, got it? Is it correct? That's what it happens. So now, if you look at it, I study lot and all. Now I'm coming it to my account. What options I have? Just read. Odisha government has given a responsibility to me to look this national waterways file, which is 20,000 crore investment. Modi's yes, Amit Shah yes, Mohanji yes. Mohanji वो भी yes. All these bureaucrats are yes. All engineers are yes. पानी नहीं है और 1876 में हम बैरेज बनाया, नदी रिएक्शन दे चुका है, हमारे पास क्या ऑप्शन, मैंने सजेशन को, तुम लोग यंग है, तुम ही तो सच बोलेगा, दूसरे सब तो झूठ बोल देगा, क्या मेरा ऑप्शन है, मैं छोड़ दूं, छोड़ दूं, अरे गवर्नमेंट सैलरी में जितना दे रहा देगा, काम नहीं करने में इतना देता है, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम। आईआईटी में ना एक बार प्रोफेसर बन गया, काम नहीं पढ़ाओगे इतना सैलरी देता है ना, काम नहीं करो इतना सैलरी देता है, और नहीं पढ़ाओ तो और अच्छा है तुम्हारे, तुम लोग है ना, तो ब्रेन फूल रहता है ना, सही बात है ना, सबका एनर्जी कंजर्व होता है, प्रोफेसर का सही बात है, बट माई क्लास में 90% स्टूडेंट आते हैं, पता नहीं क्यों, मेरे क्लास में 90% स्टूडेंट आते हैं, ओके क्यों आते हैं मेरे को भी पता नहीं, आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं क्लास लूंगा तुम लोग आएगा नहीं आएगा? हाथ उठाओ, हाथ उठा, हाथ उठा, आएगा, हाथ उठा, हाथ एक्सरसाइज कर लो कुछ हाथ उठा के। ओके, शी इज नॉट डूइंग एक्सरसाइज। अच्छा एक्सरसाइज करो, हाथ उठाना तो एक्सरसाइज है। वेरी गुड, गुड, एटलीस्ट तो आएगा क्लास। ओके, सही बात है, आई थिंक 100% आएगा। ओके, गुड थिंग्स। नाउ टू लुक इन व्हाट इज माय ऑप्शन इज देयर। ओके, shall I do something for this state, this river? सब हाथ उठाए, मैं भी हाथ उठा देता हूँ, है ना? मान जी हाथ उठाया, ओके, अमित शाह जी हाथ उठाए। ज़्यादा डिस्कस नहीं करना, ओके। सो अरे क्या हमारा जैसे लोग को जॉब लेके क्या फायदा है? सो इफ यू लुक इट व्हाट इज देयर, व्हाट इज ऑप्शंस वी हैव? ऑप्शन इज making the things more transparent, more technology used. The word is digital twin. Anybody can help me? Digital twin. Anybody? What is digital twin? Twin. बोलो बोलो, क्या है digital twin? क्या है? You are anybody have a twin brother, twin sisters? Lucky, lucky, है ना? What is digital twin? Just like your twin brother, twin sisters, okay? Digital twin. That means whatever infrastructures we have, that will convert as a digital framework. Exactly same what is happening in digital field. Physical to totally digital. Like sitting here, I can run Regali Dam gate. Possible or possible? Regali Dam का गेट मैं इधर बैठ के मैं ऑपरेट कर सकता हूँ। और डैम रिलीज का वाटर में what is going to happen to Kendrapada districts? Also I should predict it. इधर बैठ, then it will be fully digital. You are making that system totally digital, and you making it as a twin. In 3D you can see that what is happening. Today it's possible. Yes or no? It's possible. I can put what I will put in a series of cameras, series of sensors, control systems. That's what you do. Regali Dam I operated from here. I can do it. What I needed, series of sensor I put it there to measure the water level, measure the hydrostatic pressures, the seepage pressures, the gate conditions. Okay. So from here I can just type it. Okay, this gate to be operated. Last week I was there in the Langan. अब तो ऐसे, I am not a teacher, I am a traveler. ज्ञान लेना है तो IIT कैंपस में नहीं रहना. Travel, you will enjoy the life and you will get the knowledge. Okay, I am a traveler. I introduce. I am not a teacher. I am a traveler. Okay, almost in a month 4 times I don't stay in my campus. Who pays for that? Don't ask me. I travel lot. जिंदगी का एक बार आता है, दोबारा आता है. So I can control it. So each gate takes around 20 minutes to operate. That's what I get. So if I control from here, I can open the gate of Regali Dam, release that waters. Then I can predict it, how much time it will take it to come to Janapur, come to Bhuban, Jagana, Bajiraut areas. Then comes down to Bhitarkanika. How much time it will take? 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. How much? And which area will going to be running? All I can predict. Based on that, I can tell it to Bhuban. Okay, anybody from Bhuban? अरे इतना बड़ा विलेज में एक ही इंजीनियर नहीं भेजा इधर. सबसे लार्जेस्ट विलेज है. पता है नहीं? यार उड़ीसा का नॉलेज उतना ही नहीं रखा है। ओके, हाँ, ये लोग गुवाहाटी लोग था, कितना इलेक्ट्रिकल पढ़ता है भाई, को कम पढ़ो इलेक्ट्रिकल, हाँ, सब इलेक्ट्रिकल ना। हाँ, तो भागवत पढ़ने का स्टूडेंट है ना, मैं गाली देता हूँ, खाली इलेक्ट्रिकल पढ़ाता है। ओके, भुवन कहाँ है पता नहीं स्टूडेंट। हाँ, how many students are भागवत पढ़ने स्टूडेंट्स? जस्ट और उनको गाली पड़ेगा, अगर तुम लोग को भुवन आता है। ओके, हाँ, डायगोनल पता है ना? वेरी गुड। ओके, so and so I can predict how much water will be there in Bhuvan, how much water will be there in Janapur, how much water will be in Chandigarh, and further downstream in the Bhitarkanika. Have you been to Bhitarkanika? Raise hand. ये एक ही है, देखो एक ही है जिसका दम है, क्रोकोडाइल देख सकता है, दूसरे क्रोकोडाइल नहीं देखने के चक्कर में। ओके, तो हमारा स्टेट वेरी गुड स्टेट। ओके, सो यू कैन सी विद द क्रोकोडाइल्स, जिंदा वाला, मुर्दा वाला नहीं। हाँ भाई, मोदी जी मुर्दा वाला रख के पैसा कमा रहे हैं अहमदाबाद में। ओके, यहाँ से ले उधर रख के बोलता है ये क्रोकोडाइल है यार, वही बार क्रोकोडाइल बोले जिंदा होना तो उड़ीसा आ जाना, जिंदा क्रोकोडाइल देखना। हाँ, जो एंजॉय करता है क्रोकोडाइल ना, हाँ, आराम से सोता है। So that's way, what we need to do it, we need to have a digital twin. We need to have a technology with us. I not go to the technology part. I believe it, the technology always will be there. So we need to have a digital technology and twin for dam safety, the national waterways. We plan a lot of sensors to be there in the dam levels, the regulating systems levels like gate opening and all. Okay, and the reservoir simulations, the river simulations, all we did it, planning to do it as a form of digital twin, so that उड़ीसा का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? गाना भी है, गाना भी है, उड़ीसा को खाइला किए। अभी पप्पू ना, ये उड़ीसा तो पूरा खाई वाला। हाँ हाँ, उड़ीसा को खाइला किया। हाँ हाँ, गीत तो भी नहीं जानी होती, कौन सा कोचो है जो आए जो उड़ीसा को खाइला किया है? बहुत आसम, ऐसा कौन करे भाई? उड़ीसा is a prone of super cycle. Okay, बतासा खाए नहीं। Okay, so we need to have a super cyclone. It doesn't give enough time to understand how the flood happens. We have to take a decision as quickly as possible. Is it correct? Is it correct or not? So that's the reason we should have a best technology for the river management, all the dam managers, because we don't have that type of luxury. We have the state where the super cyclones occurs. 99 super cyclone I have seen it. Okay. So I think you are not born it, so I won't talk about that topic. So 2000 का बाद जो इतना, I think all are after 2000. वो बात नहीं करूँगा. Okay, 99 super cyclones. Okay. So if you look at that way, we need to have a best technology with us. Yes or no? We need to have a best technology, and we should be the leader in national waterways management in terms of digital tools, which doesn't exist anywhere in the world. We should develop our digital because we are very prone to super cyclones. When the super cyclones happens in Brahmini rivers, the water will come like a big drop. So we need to have a control of that system. That's the reason we need to have a digital twins. The technology and all the things we are there. I'm not talking about that. real-time monitoring, real-time data analysis, real-time advising. Okay? That's what suppose we planned it, we have been debating with the state governments, training them to tell it, सर हो गया, पहले आप एक दो जगह पर बजिंग डेटा से प्रिडिक्ट करते थे फ्लॉट, वो जमाना चला है। आप फ्लॉट प्रिडिक्ट करते थे, फ्लॉट मैनेजमेंट करते थे, आप चीफ मिनिस्टर को पूछ के बोलते थे कि हिराकू रिटर्न गेट ओपन करूंगा कि नहीं करूंगा, वो जमाना चला है। टुडे यू हैव ऑल व्हाट्सएप, यू कैन गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन। So now we should go with the digital twin. That's what with all the technology. Last week we are there in Bhubaneswar to train your engineering chiefs. जो 2000 stipend engineer थे अभी आज EIC बने। I do not tell the names. So उनको हम समझा रहे थे, but they were giving lot of excuse to me. Okay. सर जमाना चला गया, हम अभी डिजिटल ट्विन करना पड़ेगा। बिना डिजिटल ट्विन में हमारा लाइफ नहीं। So you need to have a technology. It's called digital twins. And as a my group, okay, I reading around 25. जो भी बोल रहा है ना, मैं नहीं बोल रहा है, 25 आदमी पीछे बैठा है। 7 पोस्टडॉक स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 5 PhD है, 5 नॉन टेक्निकल स्टाफ है। ओके, 25 आदमी मेरे पीछे। हम तो क्या बोलते हैं, छोटा मोटा कंपनी का CEO। आई एम नॉट ए टीचर, छोटा मोटा कंपनी का CEO है, सेक्शन 8 कंपनी है, लॉस होगा नहीं है। ओके, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज गिवन द मनी टू अस। ओके, CEO, we have a designated CEO with this, but I believe it. ऐसे मौका मेरे को मिलेगा क्या? Good teachers, good कंपनी मालिक है, सेक्शन 8 कंपनी मालिक। मेन मालिक तो प्रोफेसर द्विवेदी है, but we don't believe it. We are the different. Okay. So So that way you look at, shall I bring the technology, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what my concept, that we should bring the technology, the best technology which is available. Okay, make it a very because we are all good. My engineer friends who are there in Bhubaneswar, they are very good. अरे सर हम सब खरीदी कर लेंगे, क्या है भाई? भाई हम तो spend money in that, हम है ना, हम तो सबसे इंटेलेक्चुअल पीपुल है हमारा कंट्री वर्ल्ड में, क्यों मछली खाते हैं? हमारे से अच्छा कौन काम करके देगा? हाँ, थोड़ा मछली का एडवांटेज करना चाहिए। जो अच्छा चीज है थोड़ा तो एडवांटेज करना ही चाहिए ना। चिकन मत खाना, एंटीबायोटिक्स बहुत भरा चीज दे के रखा है ना। कितना रेडी है चिकन नहीं खाएगा, हाथ उठा। भाई साहब क्या बोलने वाला है, हाथ उठाओ कितना राजी है आज से चिकन नहीं खाएगा। ओके ओके, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। ए उनके लिए डालिए, खड़ा खड़ा, यू स्टार्ट अप। ओके, वो एटलीस्ट एक प्रॉमिस के यहाँ चिकन नहीं खाएगी। नहीं खा रही थी, नहीं खा रहे थे तो जो आज से नहीं खाएगा, हाथ उठाओ, हाथ उठाओ। तुम्हारा नहीं है, हाँ हाथ उठाओ, हाथ उठाओ। unnecessary I wasted my time. सच बोलो, क्यों तुम्हारा लाइफ किसके? How many agree to live more than 90? Just raise the hand. जो अपना से बिलीव है मैं 90 इयर्स तक बचूंगा, हम लोग नहीं है। वो प्रोफेसर पंडा तो 40 ही है। मैं प्रिडिक्ट कर सकता हूँ ना, क्या है यार, इजी प्रिडिक्टिंग, कहाँ 90 तक रहेगा? 90 प्लस मैं ताली दे रही हूँ प्रोफेसर। मैं कितना कर लूँगा? मेरा प्रिडिक्शन क्या? Why दुआ दे मत दो? Okay, that's what is the beautiful thing. I just believe in you should live 100 years. Why not? Why we did a mistake, I'll tell you. Always we look at the West, America, जो खाली चिकन खाता है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीता है, जो कोल्ड ड्रिंक आपके लिए फेमस है, उनका फूड कुछ नहीं है. We should look at the East, the Japan. I used to go so frequently to Japan. वहाँ 100 years तो कॉमन है और वो इतना मेहनत करते हैं, 12 घंटा मेहनत करते हैं 100 साल का. तुम लोग कितना 12 घंटा मेहनत करते हो? 100 years they do every job. कितने राजी है? हाथ उठा. 100 साल का बाद भी काम करेंगे. खड़ा हो जाओ, उतनी ताली देते हैं उनके लिए. 100 साल का बाद भी वो काम करेंगे. ओके. So that's what is my point. We should live longer, nothing else. Technology will change. Professor Panda will give a some grading. Okay. है ना? कुछ भी grading तो देंगे नहीं. कहाँ जाएंगे वो? उनका भी मोटरसाइकिल है ना? हाँ. लेकिन जितना में हिट्स देते हैं. ओके. ग्रेड नहीं देंगे तो मोटरसाइकिल है ना भाई? कहाँ पार्किंग करते हैं? हाँ? कहाँ पार्किंग करता है ना? मेरे गाल से आप रेडी टू डू समथिंग. तुम लोग चुप ही बैठा है. दे आर रेडी टू डू इट. 100 years plus. पंडा का बाइक का कुछ करने वाले हैं वो लोग. तुम लोग क्या करें? With these limits, okay, let's have a few minutes break and again I come back in. Okay. And I'll have a just maybe I'll not take much time. Okay. Again, I will talk about there is a new technology what I developed. Okay, that's what I will talk about. Okay, all the PPTs with you. You can reach me through WhatsApp and all. I just encourage you. Some of the phases I should look it, get it in IIT Guwahati campus. That's what my objective to come here. Okay, nothing else. Okay, with this I'll have a few minutes breaks and come back. Telugu, na? So, Subham Sahu. Online join the Guwahati. Coaching. Then should be there. This is that. Okay, so basically my student who is in a sitting in Guwahati, he will be presenting it, the real-time data, what we have been collecting from Himalaya. Okay, that's what I am displaying here. And slight bit sensor is going. Because of that, maybe not exact real time, but the data what we will be. I will not take much time. After these presentations, I will be just show the some technology. As I said it, for in Odisha, we are bringing a digital coin. Lot of technology we are bringing it because I have strength of my students. Okay, and who are really interested to join my group, always welcome. हम खाली मेहनत करते हैं और कुछ नहीं करते. No politics, no nothing. We're bad in economy, but we just work. Okay. Problem क्या है कि मैं 4 बजे उठ जाता हूँ. सुबह 4. जो मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठता है ना, कभी नेगेटिव आता ही नहीं. इसलिए कोई भी मेरे को गाली देता है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो 4 बजे उठो, सब पॉजिटिव लगता है ना? Yes, please Sursita, just tell it, briefly tell it, Sursita. Sursita, present. She is Sursita Das, my students, Pradesh Das from, please present it, briefly.
So this is the real-time dashboard. Real-time devices. Currently, some of them are offline. So this is where we can check the water level, and this is the section where we can receive the images. I'll show some. As you can see, this image was from yesterday at 6:50 in the morning. Another one I'll show. This is from yesterday again, 7:11 in the morning. And this is from 10:48.
10:48. Show the photograph. So please give a clap for this. This is a photograph. Coming from the Sejosa is one of the okay. It's a camera is mounted on a river, bridge, and you are getting the photographs from there. Okay. नदी में पानी नहीं है, उधर भी पानी नहीं है. Okay. So we are taking the photographs. Just show the more the photographs.
This is the water level. This is 9.6 centimeter. This is 9.1 meters. The distance from the sensor to the water surface.
Yes, this is the water level which we are measuring. We have in the bridge. From the bridge, we put a sensor to measure what is the water level. River water level. We have a camera. Both the cameras are there taking the photo. What we are showing. Show the camera photo. Yes. Pura full zoom. You see this? This is the photograph from the Sejosa, which is a border of Himalayan border in Berhampur Odisha. Okay. The photograph was in 10:30. Yes. It's okay. March 8. Okay. Early morning. Okay. Yes. Yes. Recent photograph you can show.
This is the technology. If you look at these are sunrise, very beautiful, small rivers. पर इतना नटी रिवर है ना, जब फ्लड आता है ना दिखाई देता है अब कितना पानी है। अभी देखो पानी नहीं है, चल सकते हैं कुछ भी। जब फ्लड आता है गांव उठा के लेके जाता है। इसीलिए मैं नदी को माँ मानता हूँ। माँ जब हर टाइम शांत रहती है, गुस्सा कब आता है, माँ का फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है गुस्सा में, कम और ज्यादा है, और जब गुस्सा आता है थप्पड़ भी लग सकता है। तुम जितना बड़ा हो, 50 साल हो भी बाहर से थप्पड़ खा सकता है, वो प्रोबेबिलिटी है। जो आगे बैठा है उनका मम्मी है तो भी थप्पड़ खाने के चांस प्रोबेबिलिटी है। तो एग्जैक्टली सेम, the river is so calm, quiet, beautiful, but once it that flash flood comes, so angry, it brings a lot of damage. It washes out total bridge. Bridge को उठा के ले जाता है। Okay, so the flash floods are very common. I think one of your friends said that climate change, okay, वो हो सकता है, पता नहीं, है ना? But हमको तो कुछ करना है। So that is a very common. Any photographs? More in evening times. Now who coming? Okay, thank you, Susana. So thank you. Susana, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me come back to my video. So what we did it, that's what we studied. Okay, real-time photographs, real-time audio, real-time water levels we are capturing in Himalaya and collecting this data at each 2-minute interval. क्या करूँगा ये डेटा को लेकर? कोई हाथ उठाओ, मेरे को हेल्प करो। बोले कि सर आपका पास पैसा तो है, क्या करेंगे? पैसा फेंकने के लिए आप जाके नदी का अंदर में सेंसर रखा है और फोटो उठा रहे हैं नदी का, है ना? आपका पास पैसा है, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं ना? वो फोटोग्राफ में क्या करूँगा? 2 मिनट और एवरी 2 मिनट इंटरवल आई एम गेटिंग ऑडियो डेटा। क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं इसमें? वाटर लेवल इतना ही। जो फ्लैश फ्लड आता है, बड़ा फ्लड जो आता है, वो पता है एक साउंड करके आता है। जैसे तुम लोग का डीजे चाहिए, शादी का पहले क्या चाहिए तुमको? बीबी नहीं चाहिए, डीजे चाहिए। ब्राइड ग्रूम चाहिए, देखो तो आएंगे आते रहेंगे, नहीं आएंगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, डीजे चाहिए। एग्जैक्टली तो रिवर जब आता है फ्लड में, वो डीजे लगा के धम धम साउंड करके आता है। So I have audio signals. I can find out when the flood is coming. Not only the water level, क्योंकि फ्लड जब आता है वो डीजे बजा के आता है, क्योंकि इतना दूर से आता है, इतना डेब्रिस लेके आता है, एक साउंड करता है। Not only that, जब फ्लड आता है, पास में जितना सारा एनिमल they start crying. Yes or no? जब फ्लड आता है, पास में even if tiger cries, the animals cry, that audio I will capture. लोग बोलेंगे साथ का आजकल एस्ट्रोलॉजर है ना, बोलते कि कोआ का साउंड में ये प्लॉट रिलीज कर सकता है ना? See, many of the time if you look at the animals are safe, but people are dying. Why? हम लोग आजकल है ना ये सब बंद कर दिए ना, तुम लोग तो पूरा बंद कर दे, दोनों लगा के पूरा बंद कर दे। You have stopped it, no? क्यों? है ना? This we should use it, no? That's what we have put a audio signals, so photography. Now can I use AI? Yes or no? हाथ उठाओ। मेरे जैसे AI कोई नहीं कुछ कर सकता। So I 2 minutes data, audio, video, all the data I put in AI. किसके लिए? To predict it, फ्लॉड कब आएगा। मैं 15 मिनट पहले फ्लॉड आएगा तो भूल दूंगा, तो मैं I could save at least 500 रुपये। जिंदगी में रखा क्या? 500 रुपये का बचा दिया मैं ना। Do you believe only doctors save the life? हम भी save करते हैं। If our best forecasting systems, you can save the lives. Yes or no? Having a warning system. So we have the data acquisition systems. We have AI, which we call Geo AI, because geographical data centric. We have a Geo AI with us. We predict the flood almost 10-15 years before, or sometimes we can predict even in 30 to 40 minutes flash floods, okay, not the normal floods. Okay. And I think nowadays, who are from Bhubaneswar? Bhubaneswar, just raise the hands. नहीं गाली नहीं पड़ेगा, इस बार गाली नहीं। जो सब भुवनेश्वर में हाथ हो गया, ओनली साथ उठा रहे और कोई कितने भुवनेश्वर गए हाथ उठा, हाँ कितने भुवनेश्वर देखे गए। ओके, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिटी। ओके, आई वाज एंजॉयिंग एंड टुडे आल्सो आई एंजॉय। जब भी बारिश होता है फ्लड आ जाता है, हाँ ना। उसका बाद वो जो मेट्रोलॉजिकल मैडम बैठा है वो बोलता है 50 साल का बाद एक बार पानी आता। अरे हाँ, दिल्ली क्या 50 साल का बाद एक बार पानी? हाँ, अब क्यों झूठ बोल रहे हैं? हाँ, वो मैडम है मेट्रोलॉजी का, ओके, वो आ जाती है, ओके, टीवी में 50 साल का बाद बारिश आया इसीलिए भुवनेश्वर हो गया। और दिल्ली क्या 50 साल का बाद सब है? इधर वो स्टैटिस्टिक्स करता है और इन मेट्रोलॉजिकल जो है मैडम है भूलना नहीं चाहता हूँ, टाइप करने में तो भूल जाएगा, है ना। वो झूठ बोल रहा है। हम भुवनेश्वर सिटी को हम ड्रेनेज नहीं बना पाए, इतना अच्छा सिटी है। मेरा फ्रेंड को बुलाता हूँ इसी गार्डन में, पीठ में एक बार प्रोग्राम किया था, दिल्ली वाले को बुलाया, एक बार भुवनेश्वर लैंड किया, बोला सर ऐसे तरह सिटी में काम ही दिखा, प्लीज फ्लिप आउट। भुवनेश्वर जैसे सिटी नहीं है दुनिया में अभी, ट्रैफिक जाम, है ना। दिल्ली में रहने का जगह नहीं है, पैसा छोड़ के। पता है दिल्ली में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? एक दिन में 10 सिगरेट पीते हो, मोदी पिला है ऐसा, तो जल्दी मर जाओ, है ना। क्या आइडिया है पता? अमित शाह, मोदी, तुम जल्दी मरेंगे तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है उनका? अच्छा है ना, देखो ये अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल इसी में होता है। My PhD students who are doing an MNC job, okay, Suman Padi from Sambalpur, what I did a mistake that in Delhi now is in water research institutes. He has been working for Africa as a country में। उनका बेटा और वाइफ कहाँ छोड़ा है पता है? Not in Delhi. Air pollution is so high level. Now husband wife पास में नहीं रहते, इसको सिटी बोला जाता है। दिल्ली is सिटी जहाँ हस्बैंड वाइफ पास में नहीं रहते हैं। हस्बैंड वाइफ भुवनेश्वर में बेटा को लेके हस्बैंड वहाँ पर है, आगे पीछे एयर प्यूरिफायर लगा के रखा बेटा, ऑफिस आता है एयर प्यूरिफायर लगा है, घर में एयर प्यूरिफायर लगा है, बाहर निकलता नहीं, बाहर निकलेंगे तो 10 सिगरेट पिए, ओके, एजी टू बी। इज इट ए दिल्ली से सिटी? भाई साहब बोलेंगे जॉब मिल जाएगा दिल्ली में तो हम भी भाग जाएंगे, आप फालतू का बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? हाँ, पहले बोले चिकन नहीं खाने का, बाद में बोले दिल्ली नहीं जाने का। हाँ, Do you agree with me? Who is responsible for air pollution in Delhi? The same level of air pollution we are doing in culture. Yes or no?
Yes.
We are doing it. We are doing it. Those are staying in the culture. जल्दी पड़ जाएंगे क्या? नहीं तो जितना कमाएंगे फिर आके सोम और किंग्स को देंगे, है ना? मरने के पहले क्या पैसा लेके तो जाना नहीं, जाना नहीं का चांस है क्या? वो सब हाँ, वो किंग्स हो सकता है, वो सोम हो सकता है, सोम तो बहुत अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होगा, एयर कंडीशन बनने का पहले 5 स्टार में रह के बनना चाहिए। वो मेरी हॉस्पिटल्स डजंट मैटर, बट 5 स्टार तो फीलिंग आना चाहिए बनने का पहले। जब लेकर कहाँ से आया है, 5 स्टार से आया, 7 स्टार बनने वाला था, लेकिन 5 स्टार तक आया, इंश्योरेंस वाला जितना दिया उतना तक आया, और कुछ ऑर्गन दे के आ गया उधर से। ओके, इट्स अ गुड थिंग। Why you are making this country like this? Okay. So that's a beautiful part of our country, and we can do with the technologies and all. As I am talking about indigenous GUI-based river intelligence platform of MAHARAJA river. Already I showed it. Only one technology I will say this is what I am looking. Okay. Huge technology we have brought it. Okay. We have some photograph I will show it to you. Okay. Real-time plot prediction, real-time fabric plot, all the things with the GUI, GIS, all the things. Okay. What basic things we did it cost effective. 2 lakh में 60,000. Let me come back to it. My ISRO career. ISRO में पहले नौकरी जब 98 में किया था. पहले मैं GPS देखा. GPS का कॉस्ट वो टाइम में 2 लाख था, मेरा सैलरी 10,000, और GPS जो था वो 7 kg था, उसको लेके अहमदाबाद से लेके आते थे, दल था, कोई ले गया तो मेरा नौकरी, है ना? आज GPS कहाँ पर है? Only the technology has replaced, because GPS जोमेटो तुम्हारा पास आ पाता है, बिकॉज जब जीपीएस बुला हुआ तुम्हारा पास आता है, नहीं तो जब जीपीएस ऑफ हो जाए तो तुम्हारा खाना कहाँ देगा? ड्राइवर, है ना? है ना भाई? तुम जो रूम में हम देगा, जस्ट थिंक इट, जीपीएस ऑफ हो गया, जो जोमेटो में ऑर्डर लेके आ रहा है 30 मिनट से उसको देना है, तो तुम्हारा ड्राइवर लेके जाएगा, भाई तू खा ले, ओके, है ना? So GPS has changed the life. Everybody has a GPS signals now, and so accurate. All these delivery, Ola, Uber, Zomato, or Blinkit, okay, 10 minutes में सब आ जाएगा. Very useful. Okay, IIT Guwahati को Blinkit आ गया, क्योंकि अभी एक ही तो था हमारा, मेरा मीटिंग से पहले से फाइट वही वाला प्रॉब्लम था, कभी मार्केट नहीं जाता है, ओके, मैं कभी मार्केट नहीं जाता, आई एम टू बैड इन शॉपिंग, ओके, ये क्या रखा है ना? मेरे को अभी भी पता नहीं कौन सा डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ दाल, ओके, उसमें ज़्यादा गाली पड़ता है, ये कुछ मूंग दाल है, अरहर दाल है, ओके, कभी मूंग दाल का जगह पर अरहर दाल ले आता हूँ, अरहर दाल मूंग दाल, और उसी का मेरे को इतना गाली पड़ता है, ओके, अभी ब्लिंकिट आ गया, कुछ नहीं है भाई, हाउ द ब्लिंकिट इज पॉसिबल? सब चीज कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी है उसमें, बिकॉज ऑफ चीप लेबर और वी हैव इन आवर टाइम, 8,000 देने में लोग 12 घंटा काम करते हैं, ये इसी तरह काम नहीं है। द ब्लिंकिट, ब्लिंक करते करते सामान, शादी का तैयारी का पहले ब्लिंकिट कर लो, सब सामान आ जाए, है ना? दोनों है ना? चिंता क्यों कर रहे? So the technology is in our hand only now. So that's what we did it. We making a construct that and related it in so with some photographs. This is the device what we are showing there. We put it this. Biggest problem in Himalaya is that you will not get GSM signals. 4G, 5G signal nahi aata hai. Because of that, we introduced this LoRaWAN, okay, which can transmit up to 3 kilometers. Then you have a GSM signals, then you can get it. So we introduced the LoRaWAN, long range communications 2 to 3 kilometers. What I've been projecting, it's not from myself. There are the team is there from electronics, mechanical, and other department. This is the device. Install it and you can look at the device installations, what is happening. This is the girl what she was presenting to you, okay, from Guwahati. And what new things you have brought? It's called address. Please note. This is the technology what we are bringing it with help of Sony. Sony पता है? सात बाबू का है ना? Sony is given me close to 1.5 crores. Okay. हम गरीब हैं क्या? है ना? Sony 1.5 करोड़ मेरे को दिया है, यही टेक्नोलॉजी लेके आया। जापान में as I said it so frequently I go to जापान, वहाँ प्लॉट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। वहाँ वैसी तरह हमारा मेट्रोलॉजिकल बोले नहीं 50 साल के बाद एक बार प्लॉट आता है हर दिन। So they have constructed drainage and all. They don't have any plot problems. And they are earning lot of money from सास बहू को कहानी, है ना? है ना? लोग क्या वर्क करते हैं सास बहू कहानी, उसी में MHRD का मिनिस्टर भी बन गया। नाम नहीं लेता है। वो बन के सास बहू बन के MHRD मिनिस्टर हुआ। वो भी IIT डायरेक्टर को बन गया। वही तो इंडिया का ब्यूटी है ना? सही बात है ना? सास बहू का ड्रामा करो, मौका मिला तो तुम मिनिस्टर बन जाओ। IIT डायरेक्टर जो MIT फेमेंट पढ़ के आते बोले हैं कुछ आता है ना? सही बात है ना? तुम कुछ आता है नहीं, तुम फालतू का डिग्री लेके और हम लोग तो देसी वाले हम है ना? This is the beauty of our country because we are demonstrating. मोदी जी का जिसका विलेसी का आएगा So with that note, we brought the Altres. Altres is a technology which will give it very low power. Most important problems what we foresee, this device when you put it, we need to put a solar panel. Solar panel is a easy to third. ये सब पैनल लगा के आओ, गैस दे में लेके चलो। लोग रेडी हैं, क्योंकि सोलर पैनल 2-3 हजार का सामान तुम ऐसे छोड़ के आता है। जो एल्ट्रेस लेके आ रहे टेक्नोलॉजी विद हेल्प ऑफ सोनी doesn't need a solar panel. It can work continuously for the 5 minutes. It can communicate the signals up to 300 kilometers. These are technology we are bringing in with help of Sony. Okay. Already now we have a Sony office Bangalore. Next month we are implementing this in San Jose. Please give a clap for the Sony. They believe on me. That's the reason they brought this technology. And I tested this technology. Once you tested the technology, I do believe in हम आपको छोड़ के कोई लीडर बन नहीं सकता, बनेगा। प्लॉट फॉरकास्टिंग में मैं ही आगे चलूंगा और सब पीछे चलूंगा। चलेगा ही नहीं। 300 किलोमीटर का 5 साल तक मेरे को डेटा आता है नहीं, वाटर लेवल डेटा हर 2 मिनट 300 किलोमीटर। चाइनीज डेटा भी मैं कैप्चर कर सकता हूँ। So once you have this Altres technology, which is there in the Bangalore now, we definitely will make the broadcasting in the next levels, because we look at this technology. Technology is a big issue, not a big problem. Problems come in when you implement it. Like we have a solar panel, easy to carry. Okay, like the device, where to put it, the safety of the device. It will more the costly, more risks we have. Like if I have a device of 10 lakhs, can I put it there on my, कोई देखेगा नहीं रख सकता है, नहीं, उठा के ले जाए. If a device of 30,000, नहीं गया तो ले गया 10,000 का एक प्रिंटर, है ना? ले गया 30,000 का. ये ले क्या जाएगा, मेरा पेंशन लेगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, फिर हॉल करेगा क्या, है ना? 10th क्लास में हॉल कर रहे थे, फिर करेंगे नहीं हॉल करेंगे क्या, है ना? इससे तो ज़्यादा नहीं करने वाला है भाई. ओके, so that's the risk. When we take it, we do it this. If you look at the Nadi Bindu, it's a very good technology. Video just video. नहीं necessity. Time purity. So this is the device we have developed. It is so beautiful, guys. You just float it. It will give a depth. It will give a velocity. It will give it the photographs. It will give the temperatures. It will give a water quality parameters. So beautiful device. Just you put it in this, which is Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Guwahati. Okay, myself work with that of it. It's a very good video. ROB, I think many will be presenting to ROB next 4 days, so I should not talk about. So anyway, complementary, I have ROB, we tested in Berhampur Odisha, we tested in Sejosa. Okay. So Professor Trivedi have developed the ROB, very low cost, 2 lakhs rupees only. It can go up to 100 meters. So it can be used for Hirakud reservoir, it can be used for Bengal reservoir, it can be used for Paralip port, Dhamra port. We can use it this ROB, which are at low cost. Okay, the ROBs are available in markets, but it's 10 lakhs. And it can go up to 100 meters. It can capture the video, it can capture the water level, it can measure the temperature, the water quality parameters, all we can measure it. That's the technology we want to do. This is what the regulations last week we got it. Okay. In Connect conference, okay, you can see my things are there. I should not tell exact word of selling. I am just demonstrating my technology of Himdara to a lot of people in this conference. Okay. Him Connect, which was conducted by Delhi and Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. You can't believe it. This technology, when I have demonstrated it, out of 1,000 participants, more than 600 participants came to our stall. Just give a clap. We are the best stall. Okay. So demanding. You can't believe it. Immediately I got a call from Ladakh. Ladakh, you know? Yes. Sir, आप आ जाए टेक्नोलॉजी लेके, इससे बेटर क्या चाहिए? हाँ, और क्या चाहिए मेरे को? आधा नहीं तो बनेगा नहीं. Okay. So she called me saying, invited me, sir आप आ जाए लद्दाख काउंसिल के लिए, बहुत बड़ा क्राउड होता है, ये होता है, आप ले आए. Not only that, the delegates from Myanmar, Bangkok, Thailand, all were interested for this time. Nothing I have done it, okay, just these are the people. Clap for them. Please ask. Right now, you are all welcome who are interested to join my group as a 1 month internship on this thing. Partly I will try to give you some money. Okay. We are a very vibrant group of 25. Okay. We want all the components of mechanical, electrical, civil. Okay. There is no failure. Only very things are done. Popularizing him. Any questions?
So you are saying that project electrical, electronics, and also mechanical. For our student internship, as I have been saying, which type of work you provide for the electrical students, so that students will motivate and go for the summer internship for this year.
Correct. See, look at this technology what I am talking about. That how many believe it? There is a after this AI, there is a branch difference is there? No. Whether civil, mechanical, electrical, or electronics, all are same. Computer science anyway I don't consider it engineer. They are helping hand on this. So after this AI revolutions, see, I am kind of ChatGPT. So I purchased the ChatGPT 2000 rupees per month. Because the document what earlier I used to prepare with my students, which is supposed to take 1 day or more than 1 day, because I discuss with the students, student will prepare it. Now we have a ChatGPT Premium, just 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes. Story of Namka Dirbika, I just learned it. Few minutes because your director was taking time. मैं सोचा यही बेस्ट टाइम है. Okay, नाम का दिलविका का बारे में पढ़ लो. All things are there. Today only you have to attitudes to do the things. We have a lot of work in India. You can have an AI, you can have an electronics, all the facility we have. We'll give it all the sensor. You can develop the sensor because in this, what is the actual? Let me accept the reality. All the sensor we purchase from हमारा दोस्त और दुश्मन, चाइनीज. ऑर्डर सब 3D प्रिंटिंग है, सब हमारे पास फैसिलिटी. सेंसर का बात आता है तो हम नहीं करते. So we are not develop our system. So if you are really interested, work hard for developing a sensor. But Professor Divedi was looking after. Come, but you have no long term. The sensor we cannot develop it within there. Okay. If you want to contribute an AI, always you will come. As I said, a lot of photograph data, a lot of data we are fetching. When do AI recognize the data and all. You can have a develop like one floating device, but it is not so beautiful. A small device you develop. That's what I am telling you. This hip connect, what we given it, so the devices. So people are so happy. Like सर कोई ऐसे करके देता है, दिखाता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हम फ्रैगमेंटेड. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाला कंप्यूटर साइंस से बात नहीं करता. क्यों? कंप्यूटर साइंस वाला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से बात नहीं करता. क्यों पता है? क्यों? अरे वो अच्छा रैंक रखा था जेई में, अभी तक उसका घमंड है. वो मरेगा भी वो याद रखेगा, मैं जेई में ही रहता. Same things happens in IIT Guwahati campus. The computer science students will not talk to the civil engineers. तो हमारे देश में प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनेगा क्या? If a computer science students are don't talk to a civil engineer, किसका पास पैसा है? किसका पास पैसा है? Tell me who handles large amount of money projects? सिविल एक ब्रिज 1000 करोड़ है भाई, 20,000 करोड़ बोला ना, कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टूडेंट करता है भाई 20,000 करोड़, जियो में जज करेगा कुछ करेगा, कंप्यूटर साइंस 20,000 करोड़ हैंडल करता है। So we should talk each other. Now the time has come in. What I say is, please go out that ego. हम ईगो में बसते है ना, हमारा ना जेई रैंक इतना ही था तो तुम्हारा रैंक नीचे था, ओके, अब बुढ़े हो जाएंगे है ना, अभी भी है वो मैकेनिकल है ना, अभी भी रैंक है भला, but that's what is the beautiful things. Please work hard. There are a lot of things are there. Technology really is fast. Chinese are driving the technology next level because Trump is busy for war. यूरोप anyway वो लूट के थक गए, अभी उनका कुछ नहीं होता है यूरोप में, except जर्मनी, ओके, जापान is decaying in their economy, रहा कौन है? 1.6 बिलियन पॉपुलेशन, हम करेंगे नहीं तो करेगा? So that's the reason I always welcome you to PIH IIT Guwahati. We have best facilities, we will give a best opportunity. Stay 1 month, okay. Just now it is open up an internship. Drop the mails, I will take care. Thank you.
We on behalf of Electrical Engineering Department and PNEC, thank you very much, sir, for sparing your valuable time with us, and it was indeed engaging and entertaining session.
That's what is entertainment.
Very good concept. Yes. Very good session. Thank you very much.